is the view from the ocean here by the boardwalk. Long boardwalk out to the sea. Some kids playing down here in the water. Whew, we made it. Let's see, we made it to Madrejos. Madrejos?
Madrejos.
Madrejos.
Yeah, that's right.
Madrejos.
Uniquely Madrejos. There's not much people right now because this is good for like sunset.
Yeah.
Most of the time, their food will be like open probably at 4 or 3 p.m.
Yeah, we came early.
Yeah.
Because we have to return the bikes by 3. But there's the ocean over there. There's like the old fort here.
There's a Kota Park in here.
Built in 1790s. As a garrison for the Spaniards to look out for Muslims. Okay. It served as a watchtower refugee for the local inhabitants each time pirates attacked.
And plundered towns along the sea coast.
Oh. It's made of coral, stone, sand, and egg whites.
Oh, this is the picture that we saw. Like a big stone I saw on Google.
And there's like no protection of this historical site. Just like most places in the Philippines. You can just walk in. It's like, oh, this 500-year-old building. Just come on in and check it out.
Yeah. It's like a bigger, the ruins.
Yeah. It's cute, it's a little park.
And there is no one in here. If you could like sit over there and take a picture, cute picture.
Yeah. I mean, it looks like they at least upkeep it with plants and stuff. I wonder what used to be, what they built with this. When I was in Bohol, they said they, what's the cookies they have there? Like
with the peanuts?
They have like, it's like made with egg yolks because they used all the egg whites to make the mortar for the stones. So then they learned how to make cookies with just egg yolks.
Oh.
God, I forget the name.
I think I haven't tried that cookies.
Anyway, they were good. I got them from a couple places when I was there. They were delicious. I actually made mango float with them. Yeah, but they were very light, like very airy. So when they got moist, they just like dissolved. It was still good.
You can still taste it in the mango float?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. It's not very big, so if the whole town is hiding in here, it must not have been very populated.
Yeah.
Like how many people could live?
Probably 50.
I mean, think about you have 50 people in here and everyone has to poop.
Yeah.
Like, where's the poop go?
It's crowded.
It's very colorful out here though in the main area. Very cute.
Especially here. At night, this would be like light.
Lots of lanterns. If we come back.
The grass.
Oh yeah. More Filipinos should do that. Get fake grass.
Fake grass. This is like the natural grass.
If we come to Bantayan again, we'll have to like maybe have one night like in Madrejos.
Yeah.
And then one in Bantayan City. And 1 or 2 in Santa Fe. Those are the 3 main cities. There were like small little barangay between.
There's even like a spot in here for pictures for Instagram.
For kids to play, I guess.
Cottages are very nice, right? Like colorful. Even their hotels, like guest house, very colorful. Right. We have your blue. There's the
boardwalk.
bridge. I don't know if you can like get there.
Sure. Oh yeah, it looks like a wall. Maybe we'll push the door. I don't know. We'll try.
Oh, I saw nothing.
Oh, Bantayan. So we'll be back in a second. This is the view from the ocean here by the boardwalk. Long boardwalk out to the sea. Some kids playing down here in the water.
Free ligo. Free ligo
Yeah.
on the beach. It's free. At least the beach is not, angry. The
Yeah.
last time I was here, it was like very, very angry. With my friend, we were just like walking over there. The beach was like splashing at us.
It's nice.
Yeah. What can you say about here, sir?
It's nice. It's not too hot.
Not too hot?
Wala hayag. Not bright,
Not bright.
which is good. We didn't get sunburned,
Mm-hmm.
and the rained a little bit, but it kind of stopped.
Yeah. And we're just like riding our motorbike from Bantayan up to here.
One shot. As was about a little over half an hour. We went slow. There's lots of schools getting out for some reason. It's Saturday. I'm like, why are kids at school? And then just like hanging out in the street. Like,
They even I think they have an activity because they're wearing all white.
that's not the normal.
Yeah.
uniform.
They're having like flowers outside. I don't know why, but maybe they're
Maybe it's
having an
a fiesta.
activity. There's even like a Japanese thing in here. Yeah. You can like take a picture. This would be like turned on at night.
Yeah. They have a cute little park. We'll go get some video in their Central Park there. Maybe we'll try to get a couple of photos with what's left of our memory card. Getting low.
Of Madridejos.
Yeah. But at least we have a lot of video.
Can you speak it? Madridejos.
Madridejos. I did it.
We'll see you later in the park.
This is the main park here, Madridejos. It's super cute. Just gonna walk into like the little art installation they have here. Kota Ocean Park. This, I guess, has lights. It's a really cute date spot, I think. Like this. I don't know if these are hotels. There's ones on either side. This says it's a souvenir shop. And then like there's the old fort. Yeah, I bet this is super cute for a date. Super cute for a date at night. If we come back to Bantayan, we'll definitely come here at night. Maybe rent a hotel here. Because I think on a Saturday night, when they have the food set up, I bet there's street vendors outside. It's kind of at a dead end, because it's right here like at the point of the top of Bantayan Island. So it's kind of surrounded. So there's really nowhere to go. So I bet they could set up in this dead end and sell food, have a nice band or something. Karaoke probably. Anyway, we might get a little more footage for our third day, but we have to get back to Santa Fe. Anything you want to say, baby?
Love you guys.